Previously on Onboard Lifestyle, we left a picturesque anchorage on Isla Cedros and sailed to Bahia Tortuga. This lake produced enough fish to fill the freezer once again. My mom gets creative in the galley and keeps the menu on basic, fresh, and delicious.
My freezer is full, so we're having fish for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
We fuel up by Ponga and hunt down some simple supplies in this quiet fishing village. Our hunt for internet was for naught.
Haven't found it yet.
And the crew has a great sail to Bahia Asuncion. That's where we will pick up the story of our journey.
Look ahead, the sea is calm, and I know we've been through a lot, but just wait. Wait for better days to come and carry us like wind in our sails. Hold on tight.
So we are now in Asuncion, and we are on the hunt for some internet so we can upload our next video. But this is such an amazing, beautiful spot. The anchorage is nice, and there's probably about 6 boats in here with us. So we finally made it into Asuncion, and there is a great little inn called La Bufadora, and Sherry runs it. She was kind enough to lend us some internet, so we are uploading. It's slow, but it is internet, so I am so excited. In the meantime, we're just hanging out here, and there's a couple other cruisers in the anchorage, and tonight Sherry and her daughter are making all of us pizzas, freshly made. How great is this? Oh wow! That is cool! This is Serena, and she's making us our fabulous pizzas.
Say hello.
What's the secret? Is the secret the cheese and the crust?
And a nice thin crust.
Mhm.
Thin, crispy crust. There's a lot of secrets. She has a lot of secrets.
And this is Sherry, who is the
Hi.
hostess with the mostest of La Bufadora
Bufadora
in
Bahia
yes.
Asuncion. We're on Facebook, La Bufadora. And Bufadora means blowhole because we have, I don't know if you filmed
I
the blowhole
did, I
out
saw
there.
that,
That's
yes.
why it's named after the blowhole.
So gorgeous. We are so happy to be here. Thank you so much for your hospitality.
Thank you. We're happy to have you here.
This is the best thing of cruising, impromptu pizza dinners with a gorgeous view.
I love how she folds the cheese into the crust. Oh, what do you think, Em?
This is amazing.
Yay! Good. I'm glad you like it. Great.
You guys have a safe trip and enjoy yourselves.
Yes.
Like
Alright.
we are.
I hope that the car gets fixed and you guys be on your way to surf and fish.
5 o'clock tonight.
5 o'clock.
If you ever need anything done in your car, Bahia Asuncion, they have a great mechanic.
Enjoy your travels.
It's a good thing we have a boat.
That's right. They did fix us too.
All right, see
All
you
right,
guys.
peace, guys.
Okay, the end of a nice day here in Bahia Asuncion. Emma, did you have fun today?
Yes, I had lots of fun.
Oh.
It was awesome.
Did you enjoy your pizza?
Yes, it was amazing.
So here we are, nice calm night.
Check out the moon.
Yeah, that's right. It's supposed to be a full moon tonight. Wow. We are going to have a nice overnight sail here. But tomorrow morning we're getting up and going where?
We're going to Abreojos.
Yeah, it's about 50 miles south of here.
I'm all ready for bed. I just got out of the shower and enjoying a nice glass of wine before we
I know.
Tuck in early. We're gonna go to bed early.
Yeah, it's gonna be a big couple of days. We're gonna go to Abreojos tomorrow, 50-mile run there, and then after that, how many miles to Santa Maria?
I think it's 140.
So
Santa Maria.
it'll be a 2-day event. It'll be overnight, but with a moon like this, it's gonna be just an amazing, amazing night. I love when there's a full moon on a night passage. So.
Me too.
Well, what do you think about this? T-shirt weather, and it's the sun is down.
Well, it's a little chilly.
You're always chilly. Look at Emma.
No, I got out of the shower. Don't ever look at this one, okay? Because she's burning up all the time. But I did just get out of the shower. So pretty.
Not so bad today.
Can't complain.
Okay, everyone, let's go eat, hit the sack, and get up, break of dawn, and it's gonna be a big day. So we'll leave as soon as
Not that big of a day.
No, I know, but it'll be a big day. Sun comes up, we're out of here.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark? From so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night? And what's it dreaming of? I wonder.
This is so good. We're doing 7.5 to 7.9 knots. This is just a light breeze too. Oh, I can't wait to see how he performs in better conditions. But I guess it just can't get better than this.
What do you mean better? This is pretty flat, little choppy, but somebody has just...
This is not choppy at all, Teal.
I think somebody has just tuned those sails in perfectly.
I think so.
Okay, what's for breakfast?
Bacon and eggs. Toast. I have a problem.
What?
I love speed, and now the wind has died, so Teal's trying to reconfigure all of our sails.
Well, yeah, pull in as tight as you can. It's going to go real easy when you hit the corner.
So then we can get a couple more knots or half a knot.
Oh, we had a real problem.
It is a problem.
Oh my goodness. So we're only doing 4.5 knots. 5 knots. But we were doing 9.
Yeah, that was nice.
Okay. I'm
That
glad
was
you got your little
wild.
speed fix.
That's not done yet.
It is for a little bit. The white caps are calming down.
I know. That offshore breeze is dying off, but at this point we should be getting the north winds, right?
They're starting to clock around. That's what we're doing now. Just head around that reef.
It's fine.
Okay, let's go out a little bit and see if we can start getting a good heading on that. I want to see if I keep the sails full. See if you can be right on your mark, and I'll see how we can keep this.
How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I got your coffee.
Well, that was not the best anchorage.
No, it wasn't. I thought it would be better, like the last one, but it's okay.
The wind just clocked around from every direction last night. But look at this, a little lumpy in here, but at least we got some sleep. The beauty of this anchorage is that from Turtle Bay, we shaved off 50 miles going to Asuncion, and now we shaved off another 50 miles.
I think it was longer than that.
I know, they were more like 60 to here. But it shaves off 50 miles going to Santa Maria. So now we have a 140-mile run today. So we should get there tomorrow, I don't know, noonish.
And I know this for a fact, it's going to be much warmer. That's kind of like the spot.
That's what we
the
keep,
sweet spot.
we keep saying that.
No, I'm serious. The water temperature and everything is much better.
But bonus, look at this, full moon.
I know.
So
we're going to
we'll
have a really
bright
nice
sky
night.
Tonight. Yeah. Big run, are you ready?
I'm always ready.
I know.
I'm actually really looking forward to this run.
I know. But
We're going to have 10-15 knots from the northwest,
yep,
right?
Yep.
Most of the day.
And it'll die off in the evening, but
so we can motor sail in the evening if it dies off.
If we have to. But we'll see. You never know.
But we've been
there.
having some good runs already.
I know we need to slow down a bit.
Yeah. As soon as it gets warm, we can slow down.
We can just jump. Emma wants to go play. So do I. We'll do that in Santa Maria and Mag Bay.
You got it. You plan on fishing today?
Maybe. We have the freezer still full. Maybe I'll just catch one.
Just one.
Got an early start this morning. Nice stiff offshore breeze. We're clipping along at about 6.5 knots. So it's nice. We should make good time if we hold this up. I don't anticipate this offshore breeze to go too much. It's going to clock around and be on our back soon. But we'll take it. On a beam like this, we're real efficient.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
So we had to kick on the engine, just one.
Just one.
Because there is no wind right now. We should be getting it in an hour or so, you think? That's what it calls for anyways.
We had a nice breeze this morning, a little offshore breeze. We took advantage of that, but it's going to clock around to the northwest, and we're kind of in between wind right now. But we have to keep moving. We have 119 miles to go.
Yep.
We want to make it by tomorrow. So
in the meantime, this is a great opportunity to have a snack.
Jalapeno popper dip. Here we are. Boop.
Like that?
We're, I don't know, 20, 30 miles offshore right now. Love it.
Looks like the wind finally arrived. We are doing 5.5 to 6.9.
Yep.
And it feels good. Just another 111 more nautical miles to go, but being able to hold this speed, hopefully all night, but
It's not
going
going It'll
to,
die
but
off tonight, but we're going to run it while
we're
we
gonna,
can.
we're gonna run, yes. Okay, we got a little situation. Teal noticed that this rudder, our port rudder, was not matching up with our starboard rudder, so he's trying to just assess and figure out what's going on. What's going on?
Well, it's pretty easy to out, the shear pin fell off. Just slid right out. Easy fix.
Are you serious?
Serious.
Okay, what do you need?
A couple of zip ties.
Okay.
Okay.
All I can say is it's a good thing you discovered this before nighttime.
I know. We have 2 rudders. I mean, we don't need the
Well,
2 rudders.
I was wondering why we were slipping a little bit.
Well, it's all fixed. It's definitely hold until we get in. I'll tear it apart and do it right when we get in. I'm all bundled up for the night shifts. I'll be wearing this for the next, I don't know, at least 20 hours.
20 hours.
We're 42 miles into this trip. We have 98 miles to go. Right now we are, let's see, 28 miles offshore. And we'll be probably 40 or 50 miles offshore in a couple hours. But we're getting there. The breeze still feels warm, but I'm playing it safe. I want to stay toasty tonight.
It's about that time to make a little bit of dinner for Emma. Teal and I typically don't eat much during night watches.
Like your dinner for Emma?
But but we do have a teenager on board, so food is essential. It's just going to be something simple tonight. Just a little broccoli, chicken, and rice.
Oh, I'm so excited.
We are getting a little low on fresh veggies. It's been about, I don't know, 2.5, 3 weeks since we last provisioned. We should be in Cabo in about a week. Get some fresh produce in and then head to our next port. But still a great sail. Everything is running smoothly with the exception of that one little hiccup with the rudder. But the captain was on it and it's all fixed.
96 miles to go.
Woo!
The rest of the night went smooth. I enjoyed my dinner and the wind held up, so we were able to sail throughout the night. The next morning, the winds did lie down a bit, but that's okay because the fishing was amazing, with the exception of one pesky skipjack. Usually we let them go, but this guy was hooked solid and we had to get him aboard to retrieve the gear. That's when this happened.
I had to get right to it. Oh, there goes my glasses.
Are you serious?
Serious, my glasses went over.
That's right, my dad's glasses caught on the line and over they went. As far as the fish goes, it was delicious. As we approached Bahia Santa Maria, the winds built enough for us to enjoy this scenic backdrop at a nice clip. It felt good to drop the hook in a nice calm anchorage. We had just came off of a 3-day passage and the entire crew was looking forward to a few nights of rest.
Thanks for watching this week's episode of Onboard Lifestyle. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up or share it with your friends. A special thanks to our patrons who are the driving force that make these videos possible. Join our crew if you can. We are now 660 nautical miles down the Baja Peninsula with about 180 nautical miles to go. There are a few more stops on the way, so come back next week to see what we find. See you then.